In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve app not install problem. I think this is your problem. Most of the time this problem occurs when you are going to download APK files. Most of the time this happens because of the Google Play Protect. There is a very simple way to fix this problem. Let's dive into the video. First, you need to open your Play Store. Click on the icon at the top left corner. Here, click on Play Protect. To fix that issue, you need to disable this function. To do that, click on the settings icon at the top left corner. Now click on the tick to turn off. Click on Turn Off. Most of the time that is the case. When you download it again, it could be fixed. That's not the case here. If it didn't fix, you have to disable Play Store. Don't worry, you can enable it again after installing the file. To do that, go to the Play Store app info. Then disable it. Then go back and download the file. Like that, you can download the file that you needed. Make sure to re-enable the Play Store again. Thanks for watching and subscribe.